Guys, my name is Akin, and I will try to explain how we selling on Facebook Marketplace and so quickly, and how we increase our sales. So basically, if you do step by step what I'm showing in this video, you will get really great to sell. So first of all, what's mean Facebook Marketplace? Basically, Facebook Marketplace, which we're using right now, I think everyone have Facebook, and you just come here and come to Marketplace. When you click the Marketplace, your account start to be growing up. You can allow to sell a couple more items. At least I really highly recommend don't sell the more than 15 items same account per day. It can get some suspension. Doesn't matter which country you try to sell, United States, United Kingdom, or different marketplace. You have to aware if you try to sell United States, you should be careful about when you try to sell in United States. You have to have at least when you go to over $600, you have to start to do tax stuffs or W8 form, and after that you allow to sell. And after that, when you try to sell on Facebook Marketplace, at least when you sell the item, you have to put on system tracking number. Also, you can track and you convert your tracking number anytime with request. However, in this subject, we try to explain step by step how we do. You see, mostly people selling them old stuff. What we should be do, we're gonna find selling item first. So step 1, we open the Facebook Marketplace account. Step 2, what we have to do, we have to find what's selling, what people want to buy. This is really important. What you can do, you can just come to digitalmarketmentoring.com and just come to hizmetler, and then just come to ürün araştırma yazılımı beta. This is the second option. You can anytime to convert the English one. This come to right now is Turkish, but you can also see it in English as well. So what you're gonna do when you just come here, you just come to download this extension. This is really important. Just come, click this extension, and download. When you download this extension, you see here it's gonna be pop up, and just come to here and make sure it is the on. Otherwise, you can't search. So make sure it is on and it's colorful. So when you think it's ready, just come here. You don't need to pay a lot of money for searching software. This is a free software, guys. Just type here what you want to sell, which your niche. In this scenario, I'm trying to sell the pet. However, you can sell any time, whatever. Most people try to sell, guys, is the home, garden, furniture. And right now it's just the Christmas and also Halloween is coming. So make sure you check this item because people really want to buy it right now. It is a really product. So make sure, and this time it's 28, 10, 21. So Halloween is coming. So as I'm telling you, you can just always check and the Halloween. So right now, what you can do, just click the hook signal and just click the search, and as see, you will see the what's the selling right now, the price, how many times sold item, and then you see is per 24 hours how many times sold. So you will see the item here in the cost. My recommendation: do not go to less than £10 or dollar. However, of course, you can sell anytime. And my recommendation is profit margin is going to be a little bit difficult, so I really highly recommend just try to go over £10. In this scenario, it is really nice looking, and this 20 watched the last hours and 14 sold in 24 hours. I love this product. Here we go. As you can see, this is really important. Most people try to sell on all different marketplaces, but they don't understand is how it's important to product research. If you can really find the product to sell, you can sell any platform anytime. That's the main things. And this, you have to have really so good software to product research, and you have to pay some monthly subscriptions and all other stuff, yada yada yada, and you pay so much money before you start, and you just want to try this business. It's going to be work for you or not. So when this scenario, of course you can pay anytime. I'm not saying to you don't pay. However, this is the free software, guys, you can use because we're using more than 100,000 people. So I really highly recommend you can use also as well. This is free. We make for everyone to just get more money from them online business. Why not? So what we can do, I find this item, and then the second scenario, I have to download all picture to my computer. And I have to take all information for Facebook Marketplace. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the Facebook Marketplace, and right now create new listing. Just you have to go to Marketplace. Just make sure you're in Marketplace. Right now, we are not looking for job. We are not trying to sell. I hope one day, however, I don't think it's a really good idea to sell on Facebook Marketplace. By the way, anyway, you can do it anyway. Property for sales, for rent, yeah, it can be, but it's not for us. And a vertical for sale, we're not selling the vertical or car or some stuff. However, if you do, you can just try to click this one. Try to sell the item for sale. Create a single listing for one or more item to sell. So we click this one. What we're gonna do? We're gonna just add the picture. What you can do, you just come here. You can just download the picture or you can screenshot. I mostly use the screenshot because sometimes when you download the picture, they grab all meta information for picture, so they can see where you download this picture, which I don't want to. So what I do, I just come here and just download here, and just add the photo, just come here and I just put my picture. And as you see, there is everything scam. So what I just do, you can change anytime to title. You can look at title builder and you can create your own title. However, in this scenario, I'm just gonna be copy paste. And the price is showing like £11.99. I really highly recommend always when you try to sell on item, whatever you sell, mostly if less than £20 is try to keep 40 or 50% your profit margin. It's up to you on your online business. However, I highly recommend in this scenario, if you're going over £20, you can try to keep 35 between 30%. The reason why, because if you want to your business move on, you should be. Otherwise, you're gonna go minus. However, in this scenario, Facebook Marketplace, we won't be charged for us for any commission. If you try to sell in USA, you will charge the 5%. However, in the United Kingdom, still didn't come to Facebook Marketplace properly. So what I'm going to show you how we do step by step. So if you carry on and with me, and you will see what we do. So I just come to here and I said like 19 and £20 is going to be enough profit, I believe. So I just put 20 because we can't put 19.99. This Facebook Marketplace doesn't let us to do it. This category, it is gonna be, guys, just check here what it can be. If you think so, please make sure the category is right. Otherwise, people looking for this category and they can't find your item. So this is really not good because you won't get really good sales. So in this scenario, I'm gonna choose what I can choose: garden, video, books, bags, woman, jewelry, accessory, health, business, pet, baby, children. Maybe I'm gonna put the tools. However, furniture, maybe furniture is gonna be better. Condition, guys, this is new condition, and description. Description is gonna become here. You just need to put what about this item, basically. So what you can do, I just crop this information and just come here and just click here. Right. Make sure this is really important, but sometimes seller put them information. What's mean on them information? They're gonna put them a contact number, or you see here's the information. You will see, and at least maybe sometimes they're giving the damn internet website, whatever. You have to make sure you don't put this information from your Facebook sale, because if your customer want to contact with you and they see like if you have connection, please let us know. Would you like to help to you? And if they contact with your these guys, they will say like hello, and where's my item? And you say what you order, and you are the middle guys, don't forget. So this is the desk customer, it's gonna be yours, not them. So make sure they can contact with you. And then you just put there is couple information, because we list for the furniture. They showing if you have the bed, you give the bed. If you don't know what's the color, you can always put the multicolor and brand. If you don't know brand, you can always put the unbranded. So it's gonna be easy for you, but they're all optional. I highly recommend so you do so. And product text, guys, I really believe it's helpful for me. However, it's work for you. You just grab this all information. There is a different way you can use anytime, but I really recommend just grab this this information. You can grab here. Highly recommend to just put the product text. If you don't know how you can find your product text, I really recommend as soon as possible. We're gonna put anyway a Kimbaba. However, and this time I really recommend you can do like this. You just go to Amazon and you just grab this information. And as you see, there is a similar item. Or this is item. What I want to do right now, I just click here, and if you're doing your own business for print on demand, I highly recommend what we can do. I just come here and I have some extension for that. I just come here and I write here the merch, and this product for merch by Amazon. So what it's gonna be, when I came here, this extension will be show me this is the keywords text. So what I can do with this information, I can just grab and copy and paste this to Facebook Marketplace, and just give couple times, and it will come soon. I hope so. It sometimes takes several times. If not, just refresh the page and make sure your extension is open, and we are ready to go. I believe so. So should be somewhere around here. When we will get this information, we're gonna just copy and paste this information to Akimbaba. However, we're waiting. It's not coming. It's all right. Let's do like that. Sign out. Make sure we are looking the correct item. So I just come here, click copy paste. and click here, and this extension is on, and try again. Hope so it's come this time. No, you should be calm. Come on. Right, let's try to find this item. Dun, 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 dun. I always gets confused. Where is it? One, not this 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 one. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, here. Yeah, I got it finally. Yeah, as you see, there is the focus keywords, guys, and then just as I told you, it's taking like several times. Don't be panic. So focus keywords. I just click to copy the clipboard, and I just come to Facebook Marketplace and scroll down, and I just getirebilir plus V. And I got all information. You can do all items exactly like that. This is really so much helpful. That's why people, when we try to sell on this platform, it's getting really huge amount to sell because reason we will use this secret style. There is so many ways that you can sell. You should be change your title as well. But, however, I'm not showing all tutorial. Just I'm showing how you can try to sell. And then basic location is just try to sell London. Just try to sell London. You can change anytime. If you click here, you can choose your position or line. This is the main important things. If you don't want to your friends see this posting, you don't want to show up the people selling different platform, just click this one and they can see your listing. And this, if you want to boost listing, I don't recommend, to be honest. If you try to sell really good, you can you can promote your item. However, first let's start with from scratch, and then if everything is okay, you can put anytime to SKU. For example, if you're thinking this item from coming, you can create some SKU and just after that come here and publish, and right away you already now setting this platform in Facebook. That's it, guys. If you want to boost, it's gonna become right now. So we are setting this item right now. However, this is the main keys now. So this is really good. There is so many items and this yari. However, we have couple issue now. When in the stock is changed, when people want to buy, they're gonna ask, we're gonna come and this guy says run out this stock because the Halloween, and when it's Halloween finish or come to closer to finish, he's gonna run out all stock, so we can't sell this item. And also sometimes they're gonna change because he sees selling very well, he's gonna increase his sales and also increase his price, so it's gonna be effective because we try to sell 20 pounds, we should be doing 24 or 25 that time. And this is really when people try to buy this item, sometimes it's difficult to find where you find this item because they said I'm gonna send you money or I'm gonna send you these things, how you can buy this stuff. So what you should be do, what we do, let me show you. So we have a software which is name is Akimbaba. This Akimbaba is trying to show you can list your item, guys, for eBay, Etsy, and also Facebook Marketplace right now, and soon it's going to become the Amazon, also Shopify as well. So what we try to do here, which is try to don't link your account for eBay, also Facebook Marketplace, also Etsy. However, it is really simple, just one click, and it is really unlimited. You can list how much. You don't need to pay, like at least you need to list 100 items, you need to pay 20 pounds, and you need to 150 items, you have to pay 30 pounds. Guys, we do business and we understood everyone, and also we try to sell this platform same. So it is really, I highly recommend, and it is so helpful and powerful. Also, we grab all meta information, so when you try to sell on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or Etsy, they can't see where you try to grab this all information, and also your account don't get suspension or something like kind of ban. Right. So what you should be do, just try to just register. After register, you can just install your extension, and after extension, you are good to go. We give you 2 days free trial, so you can try anytime, and you can see how it will be work for you. And just I'm going to sign in my profile, and I just gonna change to dark mode. I don't like why this white mode is taking so much my eyes. So what I do right now, let me show you. So earlier I tried to sell this item from Facebook Marketplace. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click this I need to download first. I will show you how you can download this extension. There is the extension, just click and download. After that, when you download, go to find the item, come here Akimbaba, where you wanna list. Let's say you want to list the Facebook Marketplace, just click and submit, and just give couple minutes, and it's gonna become somewhere around this Akimbaba extension logo. And when you see this logo, you just need to click one click, and you can grab all information from to eBay to Facebook or Amazon to Facebook Marketplace. Basically, let's do like that. So we find this item, for example, this is $13.99. It's going to be give you tomorrow, next day delivery. This time I want to list from to Amazon, because eBay is going to be take, I think, like it's okay, cheaper, but it's going to be you see it's like 3 days tracking, and it's taking time. I don't like it. I want to my customers get next day. Of course, not always Amazon. There's so many platforms. You have to make sure this is really not good item to sell. However, if you think this is good, what you should be do now, you just find the item, come here. As you see, there is an extension pop up, and also stock is 5. What you should be do, just click here, and you just grab all information, and if you want to add the basket so you can track after, maybe you want to buy data or something like this. Right now I don't want to, I just say cancel, good job, that's it. And this Akimbaba is going to be automatically open all information from and grab all information for me. And after that they grab this all things is coming here and just catch the cookies. That's why it's coming like this. But in this scenario for yours it won't be like this because it might catch some cookies and we're still working on it. So what you're gonna do, it's gonna become to all title, and also you will see like it's so professional looking for all information about here. And this everything is coming here. All you have to do, you have to put your profit margin. This right to say like this item's 3.8 profit, and if you want to put like as I told you 50% and calculate the profit, they will tell you you can sell this item 5.7 pound. This is going to become to around 6 pound. So 190, almost 2 pound is you're going to be profit. I want to see how much I'm earning, and I always highly recommend everyone list your item, make sure how much you're going to earn. And after these things, when you're going to sell this item, what you're going to do, just refresh this page and just you will see in stock how much it's going to be priced and how much you want to sell. And then you will see UK, United States and Germany, and also you will see eBay, Facebook and ads. If you want to, this is really you can list, you can see your price product and there's your expiry date, everything you will see here. If you want to find this item, just click and they will show you straight away. It is really so many people asking. This is really important, guys. If you want to sell on Amazon, for example, if you want to say the Facebook in United States, all you have to do just go here and go Amazon.com and try the list from Amazon.com to Facebook Marketplace. Because if I try to list this item from to Facebook Marketplace, it will be pop up the Amazon to Facebook United States, or it's gonna be similar station. Is for example, if I want to sell my item Amazon to eBay, and if I try to list this item, it will be pop up ebay.com, not ebay.uk, co.uk. So where you wanna sell your item, just make sure your if you want to sell United States, make sure it's com. If you want to sell the United Kingdom, make sure it is the co.uk, and other countries it's the German or same. So make sure it is everything is correct. And after that, it is really so simple, guys. Just list as much as you can and get sales as much as you can. When your customer asks you where is my item, how you can buy, just open, I highly recommend, open your online website. Is free. You don't have to pay so much money for Shopify. There is a free website. It's so easy to do it. Just go to www.edgewit.com, just log in, put your website, grab all information. It's going to take like 5 minutes to do all stuff, and it's free. If you want to upgrade, you can pay anytime. However, in this scenario, I'm just showing the just free version, and just come to catalog and product. And when you come to here, add just product, put your what you want to sell. In this scenario, what we want to sell this item. Just grab this information. When your customer want to buy, what you have to do, just come here, guys, because we add earlier, let's say this item. When your customer want to buy, just add this all information, how much you want to sell. Just grab this information, and let's say this item we want to sell. Just give your customer asking how I can buy. There is so many message, people texting non-stop. So when they asking you how they can buy or blah blah, just just give this information, and people gonna be select when they gonna come this link. Okay, when they say at the back, and just they can pay with PayPal, they can pay with Stripe, whatever, how you want to get a payment. You need this setup when you're doing your Edgewit store. This is free. People are gonna teach you how you can do Shopify, how you can pay so much with the ads, yada. Also, you can do same things here, everything free. When you know what you have to do, you don't need to pay money, because this is already people pay for experience for this money. So you just listen what people do. Doesn't mean you need to don't pay for nothing. Of course, you will pay some stuff, because if you want to grow your business, you have to invest your money and time and attention. This is how you will grow up. However, there is a way when you grow up, you don't need to jump so high. Just try your limit step by step, A to B, B to Z, and don't jump to A to Z. There is no way like that. And as you can see, just list and sold. These people earning so much money for Facebook Marketplace with Akimbaba. I highly recommend. Also, if you want to find the winning product, you can come to always research. If you have any question, always you can just type the live chat. We try to as much as we can try to help you. We have a so big Facebook group, also Telegram group, and also we have always help for everyone. Doesn't matter which country. I live in London, for example, but we try to help as much as we can. So if you have any question, you can always contact with us with academy.digitalmarketmentoring.com, and we will try to help you as much as we can. This is our website. Also, you will see the English version as well. So if you want to learn how you do professional everything, always you can contact with us. We have English, we have Turkish and different languages as well. We will try our best. I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you, and you can start right now, and you can try to start even maybe tonight. You can get sales. Please just carefully listen what I show you. Just do it. You will get result. I hope it's helpful for you, and see you the next one, guys.